Hi again. Today I'm here with an unboxing of the San Luis Blackwood Stain Finished Folia Crystal Portable Lamp. That's a mouthful. So the very first thing we see in here is a folder with a bunch of technical details about the lamp itself. So if I open it up, there's a nice instruction booklet that tells you about operation, about charging the lamp, replacing the light, etc. So I won't walk through all that, but nice that they provide it. And then there's a nice thick book about the brand as well, along with some details about the manufacturing process in France and the Folia series. So we'll go put this back in. So the lamp comes very well packed. We have the foam padding across the top, sides, and bottom. Here's the lamp itself. Go clean this up a little bit. Okay, so there's a few different options for this lamp. This is a black wood stained finish. They have a lighter woods, almost like a tan stained finish as well. This is also the clear crystal version. Also comes in the tinted, almost like a brownish tinted version, if that is of your choosing. So this lamp is portable, meaning that you can obviously hold it from here. It does have a pretty substantial weight. It weighs at about 3 kilograms. You definitely feel it when you are picking it up. And the idea here is that because of all these different grooves and cuts into the crystal, it's going to cause the light to reflect and refract around and create a nice geometric pattern. There is a 5-volt charging input right here on the back to recharge the light. And I'm sure if I look in the box, there is a provided charger. And being an international company, I'm going to put this down here. It's quite nice that they have provided a variety of different plugs depending on your location and outlet type that they have, as well as a USB charger as well. So obviously they have come with a standard European charger, but being in the US, I'm sure we can slide this out and replace it with the normal US charger. So I don't believe there's any charge in here right now. It doesn't seem to be coming on, but let me go ahead and charge it, and we'll be back with a walkthrough of the light once it has been charged. Okay, so we have the light plugged in. It is currently charging, but there is enough charge for me to show you how it looks. It is fairly dark here. So there are several different settings. There is a touch button at the very top of the handle here. So you can come in and you can see the geometric pattern created from the different cuts in the crystal. So definitely very elegant, very beautiful. And if I press the button again, you'll see that the intensity is increasing. And then it shuts off. So 4 different levels of intensity depending on the brightness that you need. It is LED lighting inside. Both the crystal as well as the wood are handmade in the San Luis factory in France. And like I said, it does come in a variety of different top wood colors as well as clear or tinted crystal. This one with the dark wood and clear crystal retails for $3,100 in the US. If you cannot find it at your Hermes store, I believe Neiman Marcus also sells it for the same price. The same version with the dark wood but tinted crystal retails for about $3,600. So about $600 more for tinted crystal versus non-tinted crystal. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.